Single phase full wave converter with RL load. In this we are using the 4 thyristor. This type of the application is used in the battery car charging, speed control of DC motor and front tires of UPS and SMPS. The turn on instant of this device are dependent on the firing angle. Turn off happens when the current through this device reaches 0 and it is reverse bias at least for duration equal to the turn off time. Now in the positive half cycle, the thyristor T1 and T2 will conduct fire at an angle alpha. After firing, this thyristor will start conducting. So when T1 and T2 will conduct, then the output voltage follow the input voltage, that is the source voltage, and the load current, output current is equal to V0 upon R, that is equal to the source voltage upon R. Now in the negative half cycle, the T3 and T4 will conduct. So the output current and supply are in the opposite direction. So Is is equal to minus I0. T3 and T4 become off at 2 pi. So this is the waveform of the single phase full wave converter with R load. So first this is for the positive half cycle, that is T1 and T2 will conduct, and this is for the negative half cycle, that is T3 and T4 will conduct. Now we are using the 4 thyristor, so we have to apply the gate pulse, that is for the T1 and T2, that is Ig1 and Ig2, and for the T3 and T4 we have applied the Ig3 and Ig4. Now when the load current will be 0, when we apply the firing angle, then the load current will start conducting, matlab load current will start flowing when the SCR will fire, and it will become 0 at the negative half cycle. Now the output voltage will follow the input voltage, and we will up to this, this is the firing angle. Up to this the SCR will not conduct, and after that the SCR will start conducting. This is the VT1 when SCR1 and SCR2 not start conducting. So there will be a voltage drop as shown in the figure as shown in the figure. Now this is the voltage for the thyristor T3 and T4. This is for that purpose when the T3 and T4 are not conducting. So when SCR1 and SCR2 conduct, the voltage drop will be in SCR3 and SCR4. So now we will starting with the single phase full wave conductor with RL load. We are using the 4 thyristor T1, T4, T3 and T2 in the positive half cycle. After giving the firing pulse alpha, T1 and T2 will start conducting, but before the firing pulse T3 and T4 conduct due to the source inductance. Before the conducting the T and T2, the T3 and T4 will conduct, and due to the source inductance. Now when the T1 and T2 is conducting, the current will be like this, it will flow like this, and when the T3 and T4 will conducting, the current will move like this in the opposite direction. After the firing angle is given, this means the current, when the firing angle is given, this means that the current will increase in the T1 and T2 and decrease in the T and T2, T4. During the communication, a time comes when the 4 thyristor will conduct at some time for a minute or second. That is denoted by mu and is called overlap angle. Now we will see, we are giving this is for the positive half cycle, that is the V1, that is SCR1 and SCR2 will conduct, and the dotted line, so that V2 will conduct, that is SCR3 and SCR4 will conduct. Now we will see that when we will have giving the firing angle, the T3 and T4 will be in the conducting state, and T1 and T2 will not conducting. After a time period of mu, the overlap angle, the T3, T1, T2 and T3, T4 will conduct. And when the firing pulse will giving, then the SCR1, T1 and T2 will start conducting. And it will continue to flow until this is for the I0, that is T3. In this the T3 and T4 will conducting. This means that there will be an increase in the current when the T3 and T4 is conducting, and start decreasing when T1 and T4 are conducting. This is for the T1 and T2 when they are not conducting, and when they start conducting, then the load current will be increasing. This is for the positive half cycle and will remain same for the negative half cycle. This is all about the full wave converter with RL load.